Oh man, my shit done. New piece alert. Woo. Shout out to Enlil the jeweler, man. That motherfucker hitting. Woo. Cartier in my wrist, please. Okay then. Okay then. Fully banged. That bitch a full banger. That it's fully banged all around the side too. No playing nothing. I'm going bust. Ooh. Shout out to my jeweler, Enlil the jeweler, man. If y'all need some real ice, right? Hit up my dog. He do everybody shit. He did AB shit. Look, you know what I'm saying? Big boy stones. Lou follow him, but yeah, man. He got some shit. This who did my Yon World pendant too. Shout out to Enlil. Going crazy. God damn. I'm about to go pick my shit up right now, I'm about to go get my shit right now, Yeah, man. Damn. I'm still looking at this mug. It just got finished. For something like this, it take like a whole month to make. Like over 30 days. Custom Cartier Santos. I said I need the baguettes through my shit. You hear me? Shout out to my dog Enlil, man. Shout out to my dog Enlil. Yeah, but when I drop it, I'm about to go grab it. When I get it, I'm gonna post a video showing y'all the up close and person. This motherfucker hard. Yeah, man. Shout out to my dog. Make sure y'all follow me. I already added that shit to my story. Hold on. Make sure y'all follow my YouTube channel.
Jealous of your own success and the blessing that God got on you, and overlook the fact, the door that you opening up for them.
Facts. Right. Woo. Woo. That bitch busting. Yeah, man, it's your boy Yon World. Keep grinding. Stay down till you come up. You can get all this little material shit. It ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? Fine ass. It ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing. But yeah, man, it's your boy. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.